like that. After you get here, then the dy dx is going to be 4x3 minus 10x over 4y3 minus 8y. Then substitute root 5, 0. So we'll get 4 root 5 3 minus 10 root 5 over 0 and define. What does it mean? What does it mean when the dy dx is undefined?
It means that there is no gradient, meaning the function, maybe at that point, the gradient does not exist.
And what about the line? What would be the line? So, because the question is saying we should find what? Is it just a gradient? Find the equation of the tangent line and the normal line to the curve with indicated coordinates. So it's going to be x is equal to root 5, meaning that at the point root 5, 0, the only possible line that does not have a gradient is this line that comes like this. This guy doesn't have a gradient. And then the one that has a 0 gradient is the line y is equal to 0. So this is the normal. This is the normal line. And this is the tangent line. Tangent line. Who got this? Who got this? So
I didn't find the tangent line and the normal line. I only ended where you've ended there, where it's undefined.
Okay, so this is the same as mn. I mean mtmn is equal to -1. So this is 1 over. This is anything over 0. You can just say 1. We don't know whatever that thing, but for us we have 0 down. Mn is -1. So if we switch meaning multiply by 0, we would get that mn is 0. So if mn is 0, then even if you try to use the equation y is equal to 0 plus c, we are still having 0 plus 0 is equal to c, because this is 0 and this is 0 in the point. That's why we have concluded to say the line then is y is equal to 0 and the other one is x is equal to root 5. Now these are questions for Mr. Chish. Like it or not, where you say it's complicated, that's where he likes now. That's why I deliberately picked that question there. The other one was A. These are from the tutorial sheet. So I got tutorial sheet 3. I got C and A for 1. So that this is x squared over 9 minus y squared is equal to 1 at x is equal to 6. So first thing, you get x is equal to 6 and take in the function. So you have 6 squared over 9 minus y squared is equal to 1. So we'll get y squared is equal to 36 over 9 minus 1. That is 4 minus 1, which is 3. So y squared is equal to 3, implying that y is plus or minus root 3. So what we have is 6 comma root 3 and 6 comma negative root 3. These 2 points. So the tangent at this point will be, you differentiate that guy, it will be 2x over 9 minus 2y is 0. So that y minus 2y dy dx is 0. So that dy dx is equal to 2x over 18, which is the same as x over 9. So so our dy dx is x over 9. So it means that it was not even important to get the y values. No, they are still important. So at x is equal to 6, dy dx, which is equal to mt, is 6 over 9, which is 2 over 3. So the tangent line y is equal to mt x plus c will be given by, you got the point, if you want root 3 is equal to 2 over 3 multiplied by x plus c, implying that c is equal to root 3 minus 4. That is the value of c. So y is equal to 2 over 3x plus root 3 minus 4. You can also find for the other point here, where you say y is equal to 2 over 3x plus c, and get negative root 3 is equal to 2 over 3, 6 plus c, implying that c is minus root 3 minus 4 again. So y is 2 over 3x minus root 3 minus 4. So this one and this one. These are the tangent ones. What about the other ones? Okay. Then if you want to find the normal lines, the same gradient, you just flip it and give it a negative. So the same, now the mn is going to be negative 3 over 2. And then start solving for c in the same manner. So we'll have So we have, I want to use a different ink. So we have y is equal to -3 over 2x plus c. Given a point 6, √3, that will be √3 is equal to negative, and this time around to be -9 plus c, so that y is equal to -3 over 2x plus √3 plus 9, meaning that the other one will be -3 over 2x, and the negative one will be -√3 plus 9. So that's how you get the two normal equations. So these are the normal ones. So you find C in the other way. Questions? Who found this first? Okay, who went as far as finding those points?
I did so.
You found the points, see?
Yes.
And the
I think I messed up on the gradient there.
Okay. And Tasha?
I didn't find the gradient.
The points?
I just ended on gradient of the tangent.
Okay. Jojo?
Oh, I found the points, but I wanted to differentiate there where I find 2x over 9 plus minus -2 divided dx.
So hope you are thinking about what to say. Hope. What did you hear the voice up? Okay. Next. Let's go to the other one. Hope you should be talking. Is to say I haven't found anything. The tangent line to the curve y. Now this is question 2 of the tutorial sheet. The tangent line to the curve y is equal to ln √ax plus b at the point 5, ln 5 is parallel to the line 8y. The question in the tutorial sheet is phrased like this. So how they change questions, I wrote it as 8y is equal to 15 plus 2x. I didn't change anything. I just took this the other side. So this is what they do when they're sitting exam. When they take it the other side, you forget that you solved this question. You'll be like, ooh, it's similar, but I don't know how we're doing it. So now we know that from this equation, let's see, is parallel to the line this. So from this line, we can see that y is equal to 2 over 8x plus 15 over 8, which is y is equal to 1 over 4x plus 15 over 8. This is C. This is MT, the tangent line. I mean the tangent to this line. So, I mean the gradient of this line. So the gradient of this line, because we are told that the tangent to this has a parallel line, this one. So this line is parallel to the tangent to that line, meaning that the tangent to this line has equal gradient to this one that we have here. So we'll differentiate our y. This is the same as ax plus b power half, which is the same as half ln ax plus b. How do we differentiate ln? Eh? If you want, you can say 2y is equal to ln ax plus b, and then differentiate. So we'll get 2 dy dx is equal to a over ax plus b. That's how we differentiate. So that dy dx is equal to a over 2 ax plus b. Now this is the derivative at a given point. So this derivative at 5, in 5. So we have a over 2 5a plus b. This guy is the same as 1 over 4 at that point. So we have a is equal to 1 over 2 5a plus b. So that we get 2a minus 5a is equal to b. So negative 3a is b. So that a is negative b over 3. What other information do we have? So we have this equation here. Another equation will come from the fact that ln 5 should be the same as ln the square root of 5x, 5a plus b. Now this is the same as ln 5. So ln, so this means that 5 is the same as the square root of 5a plus b. So when you have ln, it means that the inside things are equal. So you square, we get 25 is 5a plus b. But we have seen that a is negative b over 3 plus b. Multiply throughout by 3, we'll get 75 is equal to negative 5b plus 3b. So that's 75 is equal to negative 2b. So that b is negative 37.5, which is, I'll get as a fraction, which is 75 over negative 2. So that a is negative 75 over negative 2, everything over 3, which is the same as that. So we get positive 25 over 2. So we have found a is 25 over 2, b is negative 75 over 2. Let's see now, who got this one?
So now that's why we can ln 5 is equal to ln square root of 5a plus b. So I had to subtract ln 5 minus ln. I thought that what's it? On the left hand side, I wrote ln 4 is equal to 5a plus b, and I guess that.
If you took this the other side, then you are getting ln 5 minus ln root 5a plus b is equal to 0, is it? Where you say ln 5 over the square root 5a plus b is 0. But for ln, the base is e. So e power 0 is 5 over root 5a plus b. E power 0 is 1. So you get 1. When you cross multiply, you have root 5a plus b is equal to 5, meaning you get back to this line and start operating.
Oh, I got that.
Hey, the properties of logarithms must not be forgotten. That's why I had given you 20 minutes, because I knew that 10 minutes for here, 10 minutes for that question thinking. Now, in fact, 7 there, and then here you do 10 plus 3, 13. The other 3 was for B. What is B asking us to do? B is saying, find the equation of the normal line to the curve at the point 5, line 5. Nothing is hard here. We've seen now, we've known what A and B are. In fact, even if we don't know, we don't care. We know that Y is equal to mx plus c. The point is given. The m is known. What is the m? Since we already know the mt from the second equation, the second equation was giving us mt to be 1 over 4. So we already know 1 over 4 is our mt. So our mn will be -4. Because we said mn is -1. So 1 over 4 mn is -1, implying that mn is -4. So we have -4 there. Then we come and substitute. So we have ln 5 is equal to -4 by 5 plus c. So c is ln 5 plus 20, meaning that the equation of the normal line that they're asking for is -4x plus 20 plus ln 5. That's all. Even this one, no one got there. Patrick. Nothing. Hope. Nothing. Okay. So many people have missed the thing. They thought that we haven't yet started. So we won't stretch much. So I have to give them room to be with us in the next class. So you've seen that when we do the notes and get back to the tutorial sheet, it becomes very easy for us to run fast. So I can even give you some minutes to attempt some question that I think are hard, and then because if you're able to answer 2, you're able to answer C, then you can easily answer D, E, B, since you have done A. So you guys are going to do B, D, and E. Those Makosh, you know their derivatives. If you don't know their derivatives, you can write them in terms of E and then differentiate the exponentials. They are easy to differentiate. So our next class now, as scheduled, no more missing in the timetable there. If there's no power, we'll quickly improvise when power comes. Have a good night.
Thank you, sir.